cooking show, guys. It is amazing. Anyway, you know why? I made some ginger cube tea, and it is amazing with some lemon and honey. And I said, the only thing I can say to my fans, can you drink this every morning before you go to work? For 5 mornings straight. 5 mornings. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Alright? Sunday you're not working. But some of the staff that won't work on Sunday, please drink it if you go to work Sunday too. Alright? So, but you know, 5 morning is really good, and honestly, it is amazing. Ginger cube tea from Chef Ricardo on the team. It is fantastic. It is amazing. It is lovely, tasty, and I know you guys will love it. So please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. I'm looking at least 200,000 likes on this video. You know why? These are remedy for your body, for your soul, for your mind, and also good for you to lose weight. And at least 5,000 comments will be brilliant. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. My name is Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Google plus me, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. One more time again. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, guys, we're now going to making some fresh tea. You know what I mean? I did it many times over and over to tell my fans them that ginger, lemon, hot water in your kettle, little honey is good for you to drink in the morning in the cold weather. And I will make it one more time again to show my fans them. So this is really good for you guys. Alright? Simple. If you doesn't know how to crush your ginger, cut up your ginger very small like this. Some ginger cube, put it straight inside of the glass. Pour some hot water on it. One teaspoon of honey. Nice slice of lemon, put it in it. Drink this every morning, 5 mornings straight. Please leave your comments below and tell me what you think about it. Lemon with ginger cube every morning before you go to work, before your breakfast, one at night before you go to your bed. So ginger cube tea with lemon and honey. Please subscribe, leave your comments below, and thank you so much for watching my show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe and a lot more stuff coming your way, guys. This is also good for you for lose weight and detox your body. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We got some soup recipe coming up, and we got some more vegan recipe coming your way. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. So nice one. So basically I got some curly K inside of it. This is the way the curly K leaf stay, and all I did, I just put 2 handful of it inside of here, inside of this smoothie blender right here, and I'm gonna put some orange juice inside of it like this. Nice one. Then we're gonna cut up a few pieces of ginger. Cut the lemon into half. So we're going to put the ginger straight inside of it. Squeeze this lovely lemon in like this. Nice one. So after you squeeze the lemon, then what we're going to do is blend this. Going to be blending this now for about 3 to 4 minutes. you will have a lot of fiber inside of it. But I'll tell you something, sometimes the fiber is good for you. Not every time I drink the fiber, then I'm gonna go pour it in my glass. Like this. Nice one. So it is some curly K orange juice with some ginger and some lemon. If you like to put a little bit of honey, nothing wrong putting a little bit of honey in it, but I just leave it natural that is at the moment, guys. As you can see, really fantastic. And this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. As you can see, this is fantastic, really nice, full of taste, and I say you guys can have this in the morning for you have your breakfast. You can drink a nice glass of this. So enjoy it and subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe, and a lot more things coming out your way. So enjoy it as we come with more and more. See you next time. Bye bye.